Hi, it's Mike for Custom Cruises. It's beautiful kitty, like everything we do. This is as good as it gets, guys and girls. This is a Metmachex swing arm. Okay, this particular one is very unusual. It's got an 03 front and it's got an 05 up or 06 back. So that means you can fit a 150 tyre in here. And it's also got the paddock stand bobbins on. You got your shock mounts. And as you can see, beautifully mirror polished by Gaz. You've got your standard bearing in here, you've got your sphericals in there, and as you can see, cracking bit of kit. This really is as good as it gets, I can assure you. If you want any swinging arms making, any one-offs or anything, give us a call. 01773835666. CustomCruises.com. I have Metmachex in 2 or 3 of my bikes. I've even got a bag of swinging arm that now they don't make for my Glide 96. The handling is amazing, the lightweightness is amazing. If you're interested, CustomCruises.com. Thank you.